Okay, you guys, so you got your beautiful Galaxy S10 in, and you have no idea what to do, how to insert your new SIM card in, or if you want to insert it from your existing previous phone. So let me show it to you. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take out the little tool that came in your package with your Galaxy S10. It's actually the brochure box. I almost threw it out. Thankfully I didn't, so I have this little tool in the back that I'm gonna remove now. And then you will see on top of your beautiful brand new phone, there are, on the very top of it, there are two little holes. Now, one of the little holes, or around the little hole, there is no cut or slit. The other one does have it. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna insert this little tool in that little hole and pull that out, which actually flew away. So I'm gonna retrieve this little tray, and what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna turn off the phone. So I have this little tray in here that you can actually insert the SIM card and the extra memory. So my next step is gonna be actually to remove from my old phone, which happened to be a Moto G4 or 5, I'm not sure, but I see my little SIM card in there. So I'm pulling it out. I pull that out. And here is the thing. This thing doesn't fit. Oh, what am I gonna do now? So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the little red edge you see around the blue middle. I'm carefully going to pop it out, and it did come out very easily, so be careful. It's very tiny, so do it over the table, otherwise you may just gonna have to look for it. So I have removed the little blue SIM card, which is actually, this is the SIM card, that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert it, and let's see which way am I gonna put it in. So this one is gonna go in like that. Then I'm gonna be inserting this little chip, the gold side down. Okay, I did put it in there. The gold side down, the blue side up, as you can see. And now I'm gonna slide it back in carefully. I don't have any extra memory because mine came with plenty. But if you would have extra memory, then you would put that little memory card in there. So now I'm gonna push it back in there carefully and securely, and I will see if now this is gonna work. Yes, it is working because it's actually updating my SIM card right now. Yay! So you guys just follow these steps. It was actually much easier than I thought, and you will be all done. Hey, I can't wait you to check out the new pictures and videos I'm gonna be making with this amazing phone that I am so excited to start using. See you guys later.